Hi everyone, I'm Don Lavin, Director of Campus Operations here at Hofstra, and I'd like to share some of the preparations we're making for your safe and healthy return to campus. We know that things have been tough for you and your families, and we want you to know that we're looking forward to seeing you all back on campus, and that we're hard at work getting things ready for your safe return. One of the ways we're preparing is with enhanced cleaning and disinfecting protocols that meet CDC and New York State guidelines. We're training all our staff on these new protocols and procedures, and our custodians have been deep cleaning and disinfecting all our buildings throughout the spring and summer. Our carpenters are also in the process of installing over 500 hand sanitizer stations around campus. We've also secured 65 electrostatic disinfectant sprayers. These portable sprayers enable us to safely apply EPA-registered disinfectants quickly and effectively throughout campus. All our disinfectant wipes and sprays are EPA approved for use against COVID-19. Your continued safety is our #1 priority, so we've been gathering a large inventory of cleaning supplies, disinfectants, masks, and other personal protective equipment. The only thing we're missing is you, and we can't wait to see you and your families back on campus very soon. I hope you have a great summer, be well, be safe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.